Hey guys, I just want to make sure that you all knew how to do this when you're going into Samcart and you're getting your affiliate links. So when you go into Samcart and you see your affiliate links, do not choose these links over here. You want to choose the links that say copy. You'll copy this once and your link will be copied, and then you can go ahead and put these links into your Samcart or whatever you want to use to host your links. I put mine into my lead pages. I'll go in here and then I'll drop the link. I'll edit it. I'll go in and put the link in here. I'll remove the link, and then once I'm done, it'll pop up the link that I have. That's my affiliate link. So make sure you guys are not choosing. You're not choosing this right link right here. Do not choose this link. Choose this link. This is the correct link. The link that has copy on it. The link that has copy on it. It has your referral code. You need to see referral in there. Referral. You don't want to see this. Products. You want to see referral. So make sure you do that when you're signing up for your affiliate links. All right, guys. And I just wanted to make sure everybody saw that and was able to get that understood. Thank you.